Saudi Arabia in sumdam taksengin kovela in fiam na lian na lut na sa abigin professional boxing huang chunga riyat chu mun pui berle sum tamna an siam bokani chuteng chuan kingdom arena riyata awai khatnan zirtom ni chunda khat atanga tlaidar nga thleng khan bok rose sparring club board sai ania battle in the kingdom ti in aming an phu nge ani Middle East huap chung ma Arab boxer tetan de big khoi hot nima se WBC Youth Super bantamweight champion Dinsanga baka Ukraine Uganda le ramdang atangin Inlan theitur an thlang telbok ani professional boxing danin ai Inhnek dona ma se sparring ani awangin achak zok le chaklo zok pon ani don loba ennom le fighter zui tlak zonna ani don ani sparring tur zing a hian Louden Sanger tela atan hun tha ani amuna Inhnek en tur an som big zing a hian British promoter Lale Frank Warren le Eddie Han telin an noya zui turin an ngai bendon ani an ngai poimo ber ero Turkey lasik ani thung ama hi Saudi Arabia rama khovel in finalian Potlutu General Entertainment Authority Chairman ani a Islamic Solidarity Sports Federation Chairman ani bok ani inel tak nilaw ma se hei hi Dinsanga tan poimo le ani kot sete a nen an fe choka bil to MLP Louden Puin sian so hi atum sak ani pro boxing a Dinsanga hian boy so pan hi khel to a nena changbekin knockout mangin tum sari nga chaka kumina aboy thum Inhnek toin Sarwat Jim Thong Brian James Will le Goiming Lee ani toina
But do you have it in you to even witness all of this with all of that excitement going on tomorrow night?
Yeah, I'm interested. I've never been to one of these before, so come along and see what it's about. And everybody's been to it, aren't they? It's good. These youngsters have been well supervised, so I understand. So, brilliant.
So you're a remote, and this is only the second one, but they brought it out here to Saudi Arabia. A little bit in you saying, let me look at these guys and see who I like.
I'm a promoter. That's what we do. Look, boxing developing out here. It's been a couple of years. It's come on amateur level in leaps and bounds. And I think it's only a matter of time before the investment and the time that's put in that they're going to get some stars here in their own right, some Saudi boxing.
Right, so what do you think we're going to get tomorrow night? What are we going to see as fans?
Fireworks. Great fights. I mean, really good competitive matches. There's 4 fights on there that are main events in their own right. And what you're going to see is some good quality matchmaking and fighting.
Thank you very much, Mr. Frank Warren.
Well, great to hear from Frank Warren, and the action is really heated up while the Queensbury founder was in full voice. And I wouldn't be surprised if the fighters know that he's in the building. What an opportunity to impress. And certainly both men leaving it all out there in that second round.
We cooking. Goddamn, we cooking.
You can see why Louden Sanger has quite a number of stoppages on his record. He's wild and reckless at times, but he lets the hands go. So nearly set for the third and final round of bout 2. Sam Cox and Louden Sanger. Louden Sanger about to go.
Come on, guys. Let's finish up.
They set quite a pace in the opening 4 minutes of this one. Don't expect anything less here.
Yeah, buddy.
Louden Sanger again with those wild hooks. Cox has started to set his feet a little bit more in the second round. He was ragged in the opener. Just a slight issue with the headgear, and not surprisingly, the Indian has rattled those hooks in upstairs and caused the Brit a few problems at times. Cox again takes a couple of strong shots upstairs. The man from Islington just having to hang on a little bit as again Louden Sanger firing in with plenty of purpose. They're not mucking around here. Cox managed to get a counter in, but he's taking plenty of punishment and then gets in a cheeky little left-hander on the break. Been doing most of his work in Dubai, Sam Cox. But this is chance to impress the watching scouts and promoters as the heads come close together. Another little bit of a wild and ungainly one from Cox. Managed to find a straight right, but Louden Sanger is landing with all sorts here. Cox is backed up. May not see too much more of this, and he'll be hoping to hear the final buzzer at this point. The Indian is letting it all go. Absolute windmill stuff here from Louden Sanger. Louden Sanger. And a bit of razzle-dazzle showboating as well. It's not just about the ability in the ring, the ability to entertain and put on a show. That's what will be remembered, and when they are thumbing through the records looking for a representative on a Ring or Riyadh season card, maybe the man that they named twice will pop up in conversation. As he goes back to work, a solid right hook and then a stiff jab followed it up. And again that straight right with the low guard. He's starting to enjoy himself in there. Cox managing to land with a couple, but it's sporadic attacks from the Brit. Again, a big right hand from Louden Sanger. Great work, great fight, and now time to hear from another great fighter, Lawrence Okolie.
Used to be champion at cruiserweight.
Look at that.
A couple of years ago. This is 2023. This guy's 260 pounds right now. Lawrence Okolie, what's up, champ?
Good, happy to be here. I need to get down to 250. We'll do it though, don't worry.
My goodness, but you're looking sharp as ever, and I'm so excited that you came all the way out here.
I stay consistent because in life you're going to get people that say you can do it, people that say you can't do it, whatever, but it's got to be within yourself. And you stay on the path and the consistency will pay off long term.
And when we're doing that transition from one division to the next, it's not easy. But yet, you've been able to get a lot of success. And tomorrow we have big guys. Are you scouting?
Of course. Of course. Since I moved up from cruiserweight, won the Bridgeweight world title, moved up to heavyweight, I'm looking to be a freeweight world champion. So everyone that's boxing at heavyweight is someone that I keep a little eye on just in case.
A little eye?
A little eye on.
Yeah.
I feel like anyone that you see at the or near the top at the moment is a potential opponent like, at any day. Especially with what the ring's doing, with what Riyadh's doing. It's like it'll just be you and you fight each other. So,
you never know.
Before we go, prediction tomorrow night.
I think it'll be Moses mid-round stoppage. I do think that's how I see it going.
And before we go, thank you for helping me out, dude. Shout out to Barack because I can't reach that
Can't
far.
lift it up that high.
Back to you guys.
Great to hear from Lawrence Okolie. Meanwhile, in the ring, Sam Cox has offered a little bit more in this round, but still it's the Indian Louden Sanger who's dominated for the most part with the most meaningful shots and also a certain swagger about his work.
Last 25.
Cox just trying to get out of the way, but Louden Sanger is all on the front foot. As he digs that lazy left hander. A little bit Prince Nassim-like as he dances around. And it's been pretty impressive, Louden Sanger. and this is exactly the kind of performance that you need to put in here.